Angeles, Pampanga. At meron akong bisita na isama ko ulit ang aking official back ride! Naaya niya ako dito sa may orange bucket eh. And we're here to try it out. Yan, orange bucket. O, diba? The orange bucket. So, marami siyang klase pero malamang most of it are seafood. Seafood. Kasi everything you see is food. Corny, no? So, seafood, yan. Yung mga... Basta marami. And alam ko, ang first nila is sa Pasay, if I'm not mistaken. Tapos ito, nandito kami sa Angeles branch. But if you're near here, you can come here and try it out. And I bet you're gonna enjoy the orange bucket. So in-order namin orange bucket. Meron dyan seafood, meron American, Western actually, meron Thai, Singaporean, may Japanese cuisine. But I would like to believe, I bet you better try the bucket, the orange bucket itself. Kasi yun naman yung talaga, kaya nga orange Cajun Fusion Restaurant. So, tara na! Subukan natin yung mga food nila dito.